Coleoptera. And I didn't ask you all the stuff I said. I probably won't ask all the stuff I can think of. So you got macronucleus. What's this little guy? Micro. What's this?
Vacuum.
Transvacuole. What's this area?
Food bowl.
Oral groove, cytopharing, something along those lines. Cilia on the outside. Tetrascorophyte. What phylum?
Rhodophyta.
So you know tetrascorophyte, tetrasporangium, tetraspore. When I ask you about the genetic condition of these cells, and you say, what do you mean? I said 1N or 2N. Genus? Fucus. Yeah, Theophyta again. What are these swollen
Receptacles.
What's this thing called? Conceptacle. And in the concept. These things, what's this part?
Archegonium.
And the little one?
Antheridium.
Antheridium make what?
Sperm.
Archegonium make
Eggs. Chloroplast.
Chloroplast and the little
Urinoid.
Yeah. What genus? Obviously, if you looked at this, you can remember. This is Volvox. It's got daughter colonies inside the big colony. What phylum? What's that? Gymno? Gymnoamoeba? And so what's this thing called? Pseudopod and this? Nucleus. And all these are vacuoles of some kind. And with the pseudopod, you've got two parts. What's the outside part called? What ghosts are made out of? Ectoplasm. Very good. And then just inside of that, you have what you call the cytoplasm inside the ectoplasm. Endoplasm. Okay.
Crayfish.
Crayfish. Yeah, and this is for that. Does this have a skeleton?
Exoskeleton.
What kind? External. Is it segmented?
Yes.
What kind of symmetry does it have? Bilateral. How many pairs of appendages?
5. 4.
5. So, 1, 2, 3. Phylum? And this. What's this part called? Blade. This part? Stipe. And this little thing right here? Air bladder and metasis? Diatoms. And the phylum is? Bacillariopsis. What's the cell wall called? Made out of glass. And fruscule. Hypotheca and epitheca, but you can't tell which is which here. Right? Just know you've got a fruscule. I think that's all the structure of diatoms we did. Rhodophyta, and what general kind of Rhodophyta are we looking at here? Corallin? Corallin algae. So this is a thing is called a what part of the life cycle? Somebody said carposporophyte. And this thing on the outside surrounding it?
Cystocarp.
Carpospores are the little beads on the inside.
Yeah.
This is a carposporangium. Carpospores, whole thing carposporophyte. Outside is a cystocarp. Is that, are the carpospores 1N or 2N?
2N.
Is this a gametophyte or a sporophyte? Sporophyte. No, it's a gametophyte. So is this 1N or 2N? 1N.
California king snake.
California mountain king snake? Is it segmented?
No.
Yes. What kind of skeleton does it have?
California woodpecker.
Acorn woodpecker. So I could ask all the same animal structure questions about that too. Long-tailed weasel. you guys know this was from dead animals and from flora and fauna, right? Yes. So it was flora and fauna. I asked her a scientific name as well as a common name, what it eats, where it lives. And I didn't put flora and fauna specifically in the slide review because you know what those are going to be. It's just that some of them overlap. Tarantula. How many pairs of appendages? Four. Coyote. How many pairs of appendages? 2. You guys are dead.
Gopher snake.
Gopher snake. Here's his face. So this is flora and fauna also.
Golden mantle.
Golden mantle squirrel.
I know that.
That's a white line on its back instead of a black line on its stomach.
California.
Too bad it was like California ground squirrel.
California ground squirrel. You guys reading the paper today about the raccoons in the Everglades? No. Pythons ate them all.
Oh yeah.
Almost. They said they drove the road and they found like one raccoon. Normally they say they find like 50 to 100.
Wow. Yeah.
Monarch butterfly. How many pairs of legs?
They're saving up. 2012.
3?
3. How many pairs of wings? 1. 2.
Oh yeah.
2.
Stupid looking barn owl.
Barn owl on drugs.
Grassland.
Valley grassland. So you need to know indicators for valley grassland. Valley grassland in the winter time. What's this next zone up? Foothill woodland or foothills? Same thing again. Up still foothills. Just summer foothills. Chaparral. No indicator for that. Mixed coniferous forest for yellow pine zone. This one? Redfern. So that was a problem some of you guys had before. Lodgepole pine or subalpine? Alpine. Right at the border of the alpine. Sagebrush over to the other side. So what county do you think this is on the east side of the Sierra?
It's like Exo.
Mono. Don't forget about those counties and the rivers and stuff. What type of symmetry?
Radial.
Does it have a skeleton?
Yeah.
Yes.
What kind?
Internal.
How many pairs of appendages?
Trick question.
None. Hey, good job.
Pelican.
That's good. That's just
California
one
pelican.
structure.
Worms.
What kingdom are we looking at?
Bacteria.
Bacteria. And what type of metabolism?
Autotroph.
Heterotroph. Can't really tell, but they look like they're black, but they're stained.
Oh, I guess they do.
And they are what? Coxy. Yep, little spheres. Really? What type of metabolism does this one have?
Autotroph.
Okay, and what's this? This bluish green stuff in the background?
Mucus.
Slime, slime sheet, slime coat, mucus coat, anything like that. Okay, I think that's good enough for that one. What phylum? In just a genus? Euglena?
Oh yeah.
So Euglena is in the phylum Euglenozoa. And it's got the subphylum. And I said that backwards. The phylum Euglenida, subphylum Euglenozoa. The other half of this subphylum, the other subphylum in this is the one with Trypanosoma in it. Metaplastida. I think I have. Okay, so what's this thing?
Flagella.
Does this have a cell wall?
Yes.
What does it have?
Capsid.
Pellicle,
Helical.
which is a protein reinforced cell membrane. What kingdom? Fungus, right? this filament called? In general? Hypha. And then in specific, you would call it what? Because it's got this on the top?
Spore.
Sporangiophore. So what's this thing then? Sporangium, and these little dots are spores. Sexual or asexual? Asexual. Remember, sexual, you're going to see zygospores, basidiospores, or ascospores. Those are none of those. What phase? Interphase. That was supposed to be easy one. And that's tricky. Shift gears in your brain. Hey, so what's this big gray circle? Nucleus. What's the big black spot? Nucleolus. What's the white stuff?
Cell wall.
Cytoplasm. Out here we got cell wall and cell membrane just inside of that. Little black specks. Hey, chromatin. Unwound chromosome. What phase? Prophase. I think I put these in order. I don't know if I really did that or not. So that's prophase. And what are these black things called now? Chromosomes. What phase? Metaphase. What's this textured area to the cytoplasm? Spindle. Phase.
Yeah.
And what's this part of the chromosome called? Chromatid. And the part right here? Centromere or metaphor. What phase?
How?
Cell phase, and this structure is cell
Delete
plate.
your movie.
And what else is, what part of the cell cycle is also happening during telophase? Cytokinesis. Animal cells, we've got prophase, we've got some additional structures. What's this thing called? Well, there's a centriole right in the center of it. That's an aster. What phase? Metaphase. So again, this is an aster, centriole right there, spindle, chromosome. Anaphase, same structures. Telophase, same structures, plus, what's that dip? Why should you just say cleavage? Cleavage is a verb. It means to divide without increasing size. So the process of cleavage, and the furrow is the structure.